Jean-Zil, say my name, run it up, 100K.
Yo, what's happening, you guys? Hey, have you ever been recording something and you're like mixing the EQ and you're wondering like, man, do I need an EQ that's better than mine's, or is the EQ that I'm using right now good enough? Well, look, I used to always think that like my EQ was cool just with the stock plugin, because Studio One, that gives you like an EQ that's pretty cool, the Pro EQ. And we're going to just test and see which one's better. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave all my Waves plugins on. So I have no Studio One plugins. All I'm using is the Pro EQ. And I want to know, does it make that big of a difference? Now, what I'm going to do, just to keep it fair, I'm going to keep my REQ on. That's on for my lead vocal, my main one. And I'm just going to turn off my other REQ, the 4, that's on my bus. So I'm going to let my Pro EQ do its thing. First, I'm going to just see what it's like with no EQ on the bus. We're going to keep the EQ on here and see how it sounds.
Today I made a couple grand, but I ain't post shit on Instagram. I'm the plug, not the middleman.
Okay, so that's like no EQ on there. So let's throw the Pro EQ on there.
Today I made a couple grand, but I ain't post shit on Instagram. I'm the plug, not the middleman.
Let's hear that again without the music.
Today I made a couple grand, but I ain't post shit on Instagram. I'm the plug, not the middleman.
Now let's hear it with the other EQ.
Today I made a couple grand, but I ain't post shit on Instagram. I'm the plug, not the middleman.
No music for that one.
Today I made a couple grand, but I ain't post shit on Instagram. I'm the plug, not the middleman.
I'm going to turn this back on. Turn that off. And we're going to compare them right now. I want to keep this fight fair, so I'm going to turn this down too, like I did the other one.
Today I made a couple grand.
Turn down some of the
But
show.
I ain't post shit on Instagram. I'm the plug, not the middleman.
I like it though. Like, I mean, damn, for a stock plugin, like the Pro EQ is some, man.
Today I made a couple grand.
But you know, I'm gonna choose REQ over it just because it does sound cleaner.
Today I made a couple grand.
But them joints is close though, like really, really close. Like, so, man, you know, and also that could be a huge reason of that is, I know it's because I have the other plugins, the SSL comp. I have the whole R suite in this motherfucker. So, like, you know, I got the CLA. Come on, bro. Like, so without all that's help, I'm sure the Pro EQ wouldn't sound as good with the I can't say I'm sure. How do I know? Because, but man, Waves is just, and this is the newest Wave suite, so to me it just makes a difference.
Today I made a couple grand, but I ain't post shit on Instagram. I'm the plug, not the middleman. Today I made a couple grand, but I ain't post shit on Instagram. I'm the plug, not the middleman.
So, hey, that's what EQ is. I already said it on here, so you guys can watch another video of mine if you want to figure out more on like how I do the EQ. But just comparing a Waves EQ to a Pro EQ, I'm gonna go with the Waves. But I'm gonna just say, if you're using the Pro EQ, hey, you damn sure basically got something that's industry standard. I'll tell you that right now. The REQ4 is just on a whole nother galaxy with this Waves 11. But damn, that Pro EQ though. So hey, don't feel bad if you don't have the Waves for that. Keep using what you have and make the most out of it, man. And also make sure you hit that high quality too. And while I'm talking about what to hit that notification bell, that subscribe button, smash that like button. I appreciate y'all for watching. It's your boy Jean-Zil Watson, and I'm out of here. Love y'all.